up in a drop, and I got a straight drop, 30 on my Glock, it'll blow your face off. Siamese twins, so the dick have a taste off. On my diamond water, nigga, we can have a skate off.
Alright, you punk motherfuckers, it's H back with a brand new video. Sorry again for the hiatus. It's been about nearly a month since I posted my last video. I just actually came back from my trip to California, where I spent the weekend at week 2 of Coachella. There is a vlog coming up for that very soon. Well, hopefully very soon if I can just finally go and edit it. I've been back home for like a week already. I'm kind of just like nervous to get started on that vlog because I literally have like hours of footage. But anyways, today, as you can see here, and not look at my fucking address, we have 2 boxes from Nike, of course. I actually ordered these nearly a month ago, and they came in right before I left for my trip. I just haven't gotten around to making a video on it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today. 2 sneakers from Nike. Let's go ahead and pop these bad boys open and we'll get right into it. Okay. First things first, we have, of course, the Nike Air Jordan 1 box. As you can see here, it is a 10.5, and these are the Phantom Air Jordan 1s. Now, there was not that much hype on these. I mean, it is a pretty basic colorway, but as you can see here, it's just mainly white base with red accents through the stitching and the collar over here, and then as well as this little part of the collar, the black wings, and that's pretty much it. They come with 2 sets of extra laces, a red pair, a black pair, and then the pair that's on there is white. Here on the tongue, we have Nike Air in red and black, and then we have this contrast black stitching going all the way around across the tongue, or all the way around the tongue. There's also black stitching throughout the sneaker as well to complement the red stitching, and then the red around the swoosh as well. Let's take out both pairs so we can take a look at both of them. Now the white is, it isn't white, it's almost like eggshell white, where it's like, it's not like white Air Force 1 whites, but it has like a little bit of a vintage yellowed look to give it an older, or I guess that old school vibe, which a lot of things are going for nowadays. I picked this up off of the sneakers app. The quality isn't terrible, however, I am kind of actually hating the fucking leather that it comes with. As you can see, it's like pre-creased, but it kind of looks like, you know, when loose leaf or like folder paper gets wet and then it dries up. So I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I would have much rather had the regular leather that they've been using, or, you know, even tumbled leather, because this leather is really weird. It kind of is turning me off with the whole shoe. And there are some factory flaws, other than, you know, that pre-crease look, which I'm sure is intentional. I have some little scuffs around the shoe. So unsure if I'm going to keep this or not. I do like it. And it's a very clean shoe. All white shoes in Hawaii is kind of hard since we have a lot of red dirt, which will turn these shoes brown, red and brown. Overall, it's a very nice sneaker, and it's just another one to add to the Jordan 1 collection. And for the second package, we have yet another Air Jordan. It is in that cemented Air Jordan 3 box, but these are another one of Tinker Hatfield's designed Air Jordan 3s. I think with a lot of the Tinker Hatfield Air Jordan 3s, I feel, for me personally, it's a hit or miss. This one in particular, just as I thought, was extremely nice. I actually really like this one. So of course we have the Tinker Hatfield 3s. This, of course, is a tribute to another one of Tinker Hatfield's most popular sneakers that he's created, the Air Max 1, of course, in the University Red colorway. I have a pair somewhere around this house, but I'm not going to go look for it because they are kind of beat. But I'll go ahead and throw up a picture of what these are supposed to be replicating, or what these are supposed to be designed after. So the color blocking is to emulate the color blocking on the University Red Air Max 1s. I mean, of course, Air Jordan 3s are one of the most popular Air Jordans in, you know, history. This is just a really nice rendition of it, in my opinion. One of the better colorways to come out in the past few years for the Air Jordan 3. Of course, aside from all the retro ones. You have Nike over here, stitched in kind of like this silver or gray, and then on the other side we have this swoosh. Of course, these swooshes are interchangeable, and this was another one of the factors as to why I really wanted to get this one. Let me see. On the bottom of the box, it has a set of 3 other interchangeable swooshes. We have red, we have gray, oh, 4 colors of interchangeable swooshes. We have red, we have gray, we have the cement print, and then I think this is another gray but in suede. This is one of the reasons why I assumed they put such a premium price on these. These were $225. The quality on these are actually pretty solid, a lot nicer than the Phantom ones that I just showed. So boom, put that there. Remove that white swoosh, or actually put the white swoosh down. We'll get like a double swoosh action right here. So I found this to be a really cool selling point to this particular sneaker, to the Tinker Hatfield Air Jordan 3s. You can kind of customize them and put them as you wish in whatever way you want them to be. Moving around to the back, you have the Nike Air on the back. Similar to the OG Air Jordan 3s as well as the Air Maxes, Air Max 1s. You'll have the Nike Air on the back. On the other shoe, I just noticed it has the Nike Air hang tag. Of course, Air Jordan 3s also used to come with this hang tag, and then so did the Air Maxes. So this is a really cool touch, that plastic hang tag. On the inside of the shoe, it has Tinker Hatfield's signature embroidered inside. Let me see if there's, yeah, on both sides. Whew. On both sides. Trying to get it with the natural light. And on the bottom, you just have clean bottom. I just wanted to make a really quick video on these two. I know they've been out for a month now, and you've probably seen quite a few of them, but I just wanted to put a video out showing a couple of my newest pickups. I might actually go and return those Phantom ones. I mean, they are a nice pair of ones, but it's not really doing it for me, especially with that really paper leather or whatever they were going for. But these I'll definitely end up keeping, and I'll probably rock these eventually. Oh, of course, yeah, I didn't show the extra laces. Has a gray pair and a University Red pair of laces. And yeah, I'll go ahead and throw some B-roll up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will get that Coachella vlog up eventually, sooner or later, hopefully within this month of May, because it's already May. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps, you know, boost my video and lets other people see it. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Oh, all of the bitches exotic, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease them out. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, yeah. I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, she wanna twerk on my chain, get in that brain. Swerving your lane.